Sadly, behind every beauty is a dark side filled with tragedy and death. In the course of 3 months, I've already killed 7 pots of plants and 5 cacti. I'm a huge fan of trailing plants because they give me a fairy tale feeling. But one of the trailing plants I love, English ivy, seems to keep dying on me no matter what I do. Grow light, more water, less water, more fertilizer, less fertilizer, oil spray. I try them all. Nothing seems to work. In fact, I'm left with 3 pots of them. So if they all die, it's the end of journey for me. But here's the silver lining. I did discover trailing plants that do well in indoor environments. For example, this magnificent plant here is called string of plants. This 1.5 meter variety is quite rare in Singapore. I absolutely love it. The other 2 that do well are string of turtles and Discidia watermelon. Do you have any recommendation for me?